Yeah, welcome to today's episode. Today makes the 10th day of my consistency challenge. I'm already on the charts and I've been looking out for my trading opportunity. Okay, I'm on EURUSD. Yeah, I'm going to draw out what we are looking out for on the chart. For a buy, setup, I'm looking for this to happen. Then we can have our buy. A bit of structure, pull back, another break of structure. Now we have taken a gap of a liquidity gap, then another break of structure. Then we are expecting a pullback during London session to continue our buy. This is what we are actually looking out for. Now look at this chart. We have this, yeah, we have this break of structure, pull back, another break of structure, liquidity gap, break of structure, then pull back into our POI for a buy. However, price has already mitigated the POI, which we expect it to happen during London session. So I want the trade is already playing out. There's no trading opportunity for me again on this. Mitigation, yeah. This is where I would have taken the buy during London session, but price has already mitigated the zone and it's already in profit. This is what I could have done during London session, which has already happened before the London session. This is the actual setup. So let's check other currency pair to see if we can have a setup that has not been mitigated, that's not been playing out already. Okay, this is NZDUSD. Okay, this was the analysis I did yesterday, which I'm not going like there's no actual setup for me This one also looks like the one we just analyzed because um price was already at the POI, then it moved. I was expecting price to take out the low because of relative equal lows that are there. However, price did not take out the low. Instead, it followed the actual direction. So right now, looking at this area, there's no setup around this area. So yeah, coming here, what can we see? We have this, then we have a pullback, then we have this break of structure, we have another pullback to this area, then we have this another break of structure, then a pullback again. So this did not follow what we are actually looking out for. So there is no setup here. Let's look at this area. We have this, then pullback, down here. As you can see, there is no setup here too. So on NZDUSD, I don't have a trading opportunity. Let me go and check other pair. GBPUSD. Okay, this is GBPUSD. Yeah, yesterday too, I was saying that I expect price to take out this high, take out this, then come back into this POI and buy. But price did not take out the high immediately. It pulled back, then took out the high and buy. So let's look at what we have there to see if we are going to have a trading opportunity. So starting from here, let me take it from okay. Let me take it from here. We have this to this high, then we have this, we have this break of structure BOS, a pullback, then another BOS which this grab liquidity, then zoom, it break a structure. This actually follow our trading pattern, and I'm going to set my limit for this. I'm going to set a limit for this, targeting 3 hours. 16 pips. Wow. So what I'm going to do here is to refine the entry. Let me see, because 16 pips for me too much. My stop loss is usually 10, like the maximum is 10 pips, the maximum. want to see the block that I'm going to use here. Instead of using the whole other block. So for me, okay, so right now I'm going to use the green candle. Okay, that will be my entry. The green candle will be my entry instead of using the red candle. So from the eye of the green candle to the yeah, and let's see how many pips we have for that. This will reduce my waiting period for the price to actually play out. Yeah, another thing I'm going to look out for is to see if the green candle. So let's see if there is, then my entry starts from that double average. Yeah. So right now my entry is from that area. So exactly, okay, I have it. So this is the trade I have for today. Now is already London session is already open. So I'm going to that although I'm still going to check other currency to see if there is going to be a trading opportunity for me. Okay, so let's set, I'm going to set the limit. Based on my rule, I'm going to add 0.5 pips to the entry and 0.5 pips um to the SL. Okay. So I'm going to subtract 0.5 from here. Okay, we have it. So how many pips? We have 10. So I'm going to use a lot size calculator so that I'm going to have the normal lot size to use for the trade. I'm only targeting 3 hours. So that's my TP. Website I'm using for calculating the lot size is forexfactory.com. So I'm going to use it to calculate the lot size I'm going to use. I'm risking $30 on this, and that's on my probe account, $5,000 probe account I'm trading. Let's check other currency pair to see if we are going to have a trading opportunity too. So we already have a setup on GBPUSD, which I'm going to take for the day. So odd USD. Okay. This was the analysis I did yesterday. So let's check what we are going to have for today as well. Okay. Mm, yeah. Mm, mm, mm. So this is odd USD. Let's check if we are going to have a trading opportunity on it. Yeah, I'm trying to set the limit before, not to miss the trading opportunity. So okay, entry points. One point 3671. Let me take reference. before 120. Nice. Yeah, I've set the limits, so I can continue with the analysis. I need to set the limit so that I don't miss out the trade while doing analysis on other place. So this is all the USD. Let's check out what we have on the on a bigger look. It's formed here on a bigger look. So let's consider what we have currently to see if we are going to have another being formed, which can actually indicate maybe price is going to move down to what we have down here. Right now, considering the smaller structure, we have this. And we have this, then what we are looking out for. So let's check what we have here. So we have something, yeah, then this, we have this. Okay, this is what we have here. So let's critically look at it. We have price taking out this low, giving us one. Then what we are expecting to happen before is that this should come down, take out this low as well to give us two. Then price should go up and take out, should give us something like this. Then price should go up and take out the high. Before coming down to take out this low. While our entry will be here, will be here. However, let's do that. It's actually so this is what price did before breaking the structure. So this, based on back testing, this actually also sometimes it's play out, sometimes it doesn't play out. But like based on backtesting, when this happen before the London session, let me draw what is going to happen that I have seen when we have this and we have our first week of structure and we are expecting second week of structure, price went up. Instead of breaking that structure, it did not break it. Then went up to take out the high before breaking the structure. Then price will have an inducement with FUG above it. And this will happen before London session. So when the London session opens, price will take out this high, mitigate the zone, and boom, sell off. This is what I've seen that play out very well. This play out very well. So, and another thing is based on backtesting and experience, when if I am to take this trade, for example, let's take a look at it. Okay. So we have something like this, and for this, the first TP is here, which is 1 point. Let me add display to it. Okay, 1.49. That's the actual first TP because there is tendency for price to take out this low following break of structure. It's going to take out this low. But for me, my target is usually 3RR. So 3RR. Yeah, 3RR. So there is tendency for price to take out the low, then reverse. Like price can hit the first TP, reverse. The structure already give us 3RR already before. So there is tendency that we are going to hit the TP without having a reverse because price will actually follow that order flow to take out the external liquidity. So in this trade, I will only take GBPUSD trade that follow my that has the whole criteria I'm looking out for. So this one I'm going to leave it to observe it. I'm still working on more backtesting on more data to understand based on the backtesting I've done so far. This is what I've seen playing out. This is what I've seen playing out. And it's been price give us something like this, I would have said, okay, I'm going to take the trade because I've seen it playing out many times before. This as well the chance of playing out based on my own backtesting. So I'm still going to work on more data to establish the win rate of this particular structure. I hope you've learned one or two things from this video. So tomorrow I'm going to share the review of what you can learn from it as well. So and okay, and I'm going to share the after trade of GBPUSD trade that I will be taking for the day. GBPUSD. The trade has not activated, so I'm going to share the after trade of this tomorrow during the live session. Thank you and have a wonderful and profitable day.